Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sell a domain and make thousands of dollars online. Okay, stick with me to the end of this video. You are going to learn the strategy on how to start selling domain. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for you to be updated when I drop a new video. Let's dive into the video. The first website I'm showing you is called ft.com. okay, when you're ft.com, as you can see, buy domain, sell domain, find a domain name you love, discover the world of domain name brought to you by a global community of branding and naming experts. Okay guys, as you can see, there is a lot of things on this website. Okay, as you can see, storm.com, physical.com, connecticut.com. okay, make offer. You can make offer to this domain, okay, and you see how much it costs. Okay, no middleman, exclusive inventory, secure payments. Why use FT? As you can see, FT is the world only commission free domain name marketplace where you connect direct with domain name owner to acquire extraordinary domain name. We make the whole process easy. As you can see guys, newest domain, these are the newest you can go for: lumo.app, nghe.syz, as you can see, maintain.co, coins2collect.com, pcpro.com, altwifedate.com. as you can see, these are the newest domain. As you can see, you can sign up to this website and start making killing. But I'm going to show you a strategy where you stay around to the end of this video, where you can get a domain for cheaper rates, a domain that already be expired. Okay, the is not renewable. You can sell it on this website. Okay, the second website I'm about to show you is called Free Valuator. This one will show you how much a domain will cost. Okay, this one will show you how much this domain will cost you when you bought it. Okay, you can resell it at your price on your own, depending on your choice. Okay, it's very handsome website. You can make a lot of killing. This is a side also website that can make you money online. Okay, as you can see, they are very legit about the free evaluator. Do you want to know how much your domain are worth with this free domain evaluator tools? You can get a preview of what the value is of a domain name. Free evaluator calculator the value of the domain based on the domain keyword, statistics and website ranking, and the sales of the similar domain. Okay, free evaluator can come here and check their review and do so many things on display. Like I said earlier, I'm going to show you secret place to get this domain cheaper price and start selling it on FT. Go to justdrop.com. okay, when you're on justdrop.com, you can put your name, put your email, sign up. Okay, or let me do an example in this place. Let me search for webmaster.com. let me see. It's loading. Okay, the network is not much good like that. Okay, as you can see now, when you're on this page, all you need to do is sign up with your email. Okay, sign up with your email, or you sign up with your Gmail account. When you click register or login, okay, these are the registered domain. there are a lot of things you will benefit from this side. Okay, there's a lot of things. Let me walk you through on how the process works. Find your perfect domain. Let me just search for domain and see if it can pop up something here. It's loading, guys. Okay, let me go back to the domain. Let me go back, just drop.com. Let's see, you can hit register button. When you hit a register button, let me put my name. Let's say Abdul Blogger. Okay, choose name. Let's say Abdul. Password, let me put a random password. Okay, let me put a random password. Same thing here. Okay, let me put my email. Let me use a random email. I'm not a robot. Register. Okay, guys, when you register, okay, the network is somehow busy. When you register, it's going to send you a notification to your email, and when you do that, you log into the website, and when you log into the website, it's going to show you bunch of domain that is expired. They have not been renewable. Okay, or you can bought one for $6 to $10, and you can resell it on FT for $50 to $60. Okay, you can do that. It's very great. Okay, let me search for my name domain and see what it will pop up. Okay, it's loading, guys. Let's see what will happen. Okay, as you can see, abdulblogger.com is 191.25 euro. Okay, submit for crowd appraiser. As you can see, this domain with certificate. As you can see, get the official free valuator appraise certificate for your domain valuator demo. Okay, you can add to cart, order now for only 1.69. As you can see, it's very cheap. The estimate value is 191. Okay, but you can get it at 1.69. Okay, it's very cheap. It's very cheap, and you can resell it at your own good price. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Stay blessed and stay great.